Hello, welcome back to another day 5 of our Lost in Space. It has been a minute since we have done our Come Build With Me live stream. So, I guess as an overview, we went to space in our spacecraft and didn't have any lights. And so, over the past couple of days, we were creating some lights on our um, spacecraft. So, so here we have the LED lights and our Arduino board showcasing our lights. You should be able to see the board here. All right, and you should also see the LED lights. The so from day 4, we had put the switch on the breadboard as well as connected three LED lights. So once we copy and pasted the code, we were able to see that we can turn on and off the lights on our spacecraft. And there it is. So you should see all 3 lights. So for day 5, we're just gonna add one more light to our breadboard. So we're just gonna be able to see 4 lights. And then also welcome and thank you all for joining in. I hope you've been enjoying the series so far. Also, if you're on IG, it may be best if you go to YouTube to catch the full length of the video as well as the full screen. So yeah, so we're gonna just grab a resistor and an LED light and just add one more light bulb to our spacecraft just to make it very bright. So we'll just add a clear light to the board. The resistors that we were using, look at the notes here, is 220 resistors. So I'm gonna grab that one. Okay, so we have one here, 220. Put that right here, and like we just need 2 wires. Oh, wait. Yeah, we need 2 wires to connect to ground and then to our Arduino board. Alright, so first gonna unplug it. And then we're gonna connect our pieces. It's not the right LED that I wanted, so let's get the right one. Okay, got the right one. And we're just going to connect the pieces together. Now we're gonna put the UV resistor on the board. And we're gonna use the purple one. Add it to our board here. So this part of the LED we connect to the Arduino. So let's see, I'm gonna put this on pin 8. And then the other side we have to connect to ground. So we're just going to find that row and then connect it to ground. Okay, we should be on ground. So now we're gonna reconnect the board. All right, all lights are on. So alright, so now that we connected that, we're gonna go to our Arduino and try to program it. So let me pull up that screen for you. Let's see. Alright, so we have our Arduino up. So it looks like I didn't save the code from last time. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy and paste the code from the website again and paste it. So hopefully that information is still the same. So it looks like it. So we see that it says cabin lights at 10, pin 10, 11, 12. So when we look on our board, it looks like that's the same numbers. Hey, so that should be all of them. So what we're going to do here is we're going to add one more light to our spacecraft. So this one would be the, let's go with maybe elevator lights, because we have a big spacecraft. So we're just gonna type that into the Arduino. Let's put that in all caps to keep it consistent. Alright. And we put this on pin 8. And as our comment, we're just gonna say this is our elevator lights. Alright, so we're gonna skip the next part because we're not using a switch for it. Alright, so let's see. So then in setup, we're gonna put our new light that we just created. So pin mode, and we call this elevator lights. So we're doing a little bit live code here, so hopefully everything works out. Alright, so that's that. And then in a loop, we have to describe what it's going to do. So let's have it turn on for us. So this is our elevator light. That was added to the spacecraft. Alright, so we won't be doing if-then statements. We're just gonna keep it pretty simple. So let's just type in digital. Digital right. Elevator lights. Oh wait, and it's all caps. Elevator. Lights. Pin. And we want it to be high. Right, this should be it. But let's see. So we're gonna verify our code and see if it works. All right, we have now verified it. Looks like everything is good. Let's make sure we're on the right port. All right, and we're gonna upload. And voila, there's the light. So we were able to add our fourth light to our breadboard. So that is all. Thanks for coming out. And yeah, we were able to add some more lights. We have now our elevator to our spacecraft from the kit here. We originally had our cabin lights, storage, and cockpit lights, and so now we're gonna add an elevator to our spacecraft to move up and down and move things about. And I hope to see you guys on day 6 of our Lost in Space. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time.